What's up, Brent from Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a 24 F150. Love this truck. We're gonna watch a dyno pull with the Stage 2 Whipple kit. Came in bone stock. This is base model. 2-door short bed. We did a leveling kit, wheels and tires. We will talk about that at the end. First, we're gonna go down and take a look at the engine, watch a dyno pull to see what it makes. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. Okay, like I said, 24 F150 automatic, 93 octane. We are located in Indiana. Hey, if you wonder what something like this get installed, email quote@brenspeed.com. They'll come down here and take a look. It's the Stage 2 Whipple kit. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can read a lot more about it. But it's a complete kit, Whipple calibration, get a nice throttle body, air induction system, fuel injectors. We also installed a set of Stainless Works long tube headers. But again, if you want to know more about that, open the description, click on it. Lists everything that comes in the kit. Check out this dyno pull. All right, DynoJet SAE Smoothing 5. Check it out, 586 real horsepower, peaking at 6,300 RPM. We're going to talk about that. Torque comes in great, 511, peaking at about 4,600 RPM. And there's your graph right there. This thing's dynoing like a little weird up top. And like I said, it's a Whipple cal. This thing feels sweet on the street, but we're going to talk about that here in a second. But this thing on the street shifts at about 6,500 RPMs. We data log these pulls here. Throttle blades staying open. Timing's looking good, knock sensor's looking good. Typically, when I would see maybe a little swoop like that, I would think the knocks were pulling a bunch of timing, but they actually weren't. It's almost like this calibration's commanding goes from maybe a lot to like a little bit less up top. I'm not sure, I didn't pull the cal off to see what it looks like, but in the end, you can't feel it on the street. Truck feels fast. So 24 F150, look at this, short bed, 2-door. We did these wheels right here. So these are the XD Rockstar wheels, 18-inch, some Geolander tires. They are some pretty sweet tires. They're 12.5-inch wide. They are 35s. And he didn't really, when we did this, he didn't want to stick out too far. I don't think they do. 2-inch leveling kit by BDS. I kind of call this farm truck because to me it reminds me of one of those. But it's brand new, ready to rock. Have any questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. We're in Indiana, open the description. Links to the parts we just talked about. Quote@brenspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? Check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.